there neighbors, it's Nicole Fetter, your local Arizona realtor. Today, we're going to talk about our Q2 Arizona real estate market update. What should we expect here in Arizona for Q2 2025? Big picture, Arizona is going to continue to be a real estate hotspot, in big part due to its economic growth, diverse job market, great weather, and the desirable lifestyle. We are continuing to see a huge influx of people from California and other surrounding states, and we expect that to continue, continuing to help create a huge demand for our housing in Phoenix and the surrounding valleys. Let's talk inventory. We did see an increase in inventory during Q1 and expect to see further increases in inventory for Q2. Inventory is increasing quicker than the demand for housing. So we are looking at balanced markets and buyer's markets depending on the areas you're looking in. Less desired areas like Buckeye and South Mountain, we are expecting to slip further into buyer's markets, while the more highly desired areas of Phoenix, downtown, and Scottsdale are probably going to hold out in a balanced market. Mortgage interest rates. We are expecting mortgage interest rates to stay stable with possibility of decrease throughout Q2 of 2025 and the remainder of 2025. The Fed did already meet for March of 2025 and decided to hold the rate at 4.5%. Our mortgage interest rates are averaging 6.5% right now. Now, we are again expecting 2 to 3 more decreases in the Fed rate, and hopefully mortgage interest rates will follow and go down as well. Having said that, we are having a lot of people buy down the interest rates into the 5s. Sellers are happy to help out buyers and buy their interest rate into the 5s, which is historically great interest rates. Home values. This one is going to get a little tricky during Q2 as we are expected to see different value increases and decreases depending on the area of location of the homes and the type of homes. So I'm going to try to get a little more detailed than usual here. We did see a 4.5% year over year average equity gain. That is an average though, over all the markets in all the areas throughout the Phoenix valleys. So let's break it down between townhouses, condos, first-time single-family residents, mid-level homes, luxury homes, and try to keep in mind the areas with higher demand are going to hold value better than the areas with lower demand. Townhomes and condos. We saw values decrease through Q1, and unfortunately, we are expecting to see further decreases in Q2 and throughout the rest of 2025. First-time single-family residents. We are expecting stability there, with possibility of a slight increase or decrease in the value through Q2. Mid-level homes, stability again pretty stable, with the possibility of a small increase, maybe 1% in equity gain. Luxury is doing really well, and in Q2 alone, we're expecting a 1 to 2% equity gain, and further as we go further and deeper into 2025. Again, keep in mind it depends on the area and the demand too. Scottsdale, Phoenix are going to get higher equity gains than Buckeye and South Mountain per our expectation. Now, the real estate market is cyclical, meaning it goes up and down. Things could change from what we expect. However, if we look at historics, we average a 6% equity gain every year. So if you hold on to your home for the long term, you can expect to get good equity gains throughout the ownership of your home. What's all this mean? It's still a great time to buy a family home or a home for a long-term investment. However, not as great a time to buy an investment property or a flip property. Sellers, expect it to take longer to sell your house and that you're gonna have to give concessions and make some necessary repairs. It is gonna be very important that you listen to your realtor, make the necessary cleanup, repairs necessary to get your house on the market and have it looking great. Buyers, it's time for you to take advantage of the market going on, get your good deal, the house of your dreams, get the seller to help you buy down your interest rate and make concessions. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you have any questions regarding buying or selling, please call, text, email, or direct message me. I am always here to help with your home buying and selling needs. Please remember to like and share this video with your friends and family. Help continue to educate them on the home buying and selling process And remember,
go better with us.